Recently, I was enjoying the rain, and suddenly these questions came to my mind. It is not easy to make it rain in the movies. Then why do filmmakers use rain in some particular scene? And how does it affect the viewers? Well, let's get started. Firstly, we need to understand the science behind the weather and what it does to your body.
This is not myth.
For this, we have to consider three things: light, temperature, and sound. So how light affects you? The light triggers many chemical reactions in our brain. That makes us more alert and happy. There's one chemical called melatonin. It makes us feel tired, less alert, and its main purpose is to regulate sleep. This chemical gets produced in the absence of light or less light accordingly. So that's why we feel tired in rainy days. It's dull and it makes you feel weak. During rainy days, you see cool colors such as green, blue, and purple. This often sparks feelings of calmness as well as sadness. And for the temperature, during rainy days, the temperature drops down. It'll be cold outside. So our immune system tries very hard to keep our body warmer, for which it'll increase our heartbeat rate and blood pressure. So you will be panicked and scared inside a little bit.
Sound. This can be explained through the phenomenon called sense memory. Sense memory plays a very important role. Sights, sounds, and smells can all evoke emotionally charged memories. When we hear a familiar sound anytime in our life again, we will get the same or similar feelings that we experienced before, of a person, place, etc. Similarly, when we hear the rain sound again, we'll get back all our feelings and emotions which is associated with that sound. Altogether, during rain, all our emotions will become weak and it can be easily triggered and manipulated. And that's why the filmmakers make it rain or change weather in some important plot events, and they will control your emotions. Some brilliant filmmakers use weather to convey their story, not only rain, but other things as well. They even show how the character feels with the help of weather. But I think rain is something bigger and beautiful which everyone can connect to.
அடைமழை வரும் அதில் நனைவோமே குளிர் காய்ச்சலோடு ஸ்நேகம்